sent off first time of asking. It's Virtech, Clarendon College, Mount Alvernia, Homo Technical, Heidel, St. Jago, Edinallen, and Immaculate. Moving well is Edinallen. Immaculate, they'll have some work to do with Johnson on the outside. So it's Edinallen who are leading. Problems for Heidel, Homo Technical. Season leaders looking good. Ford hands over to Brown of Immaculate up there in lane 8. So Immaculate going to work with Najee Brown on the outside in lane 8. Here comes Homo Technical as well. Can they hold on? It's Homo Technical, Immaculate. Problems for Mount Alvernia. It's a Homo Technical, Immaculate. Edinallen is closing. Mount Alvernia is going by Homo Technical. It's Mount Alvernia from Homo Technical, just going for third. And I think maybe St. Jago.
I think Immaculate
on the outside.
I think Immaculate may have got third.
So let's see how they ended on that one. But what a race that was, as Homo Technical and a very fast time at the, well, Mount Alvernia, the victors.
Grace Kennedy Boys and Girls Championships, exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com.